The fierce territorial nature of big cats certainly makes them formidable hunters, especially as they sometimes target pets as potential prey. For pet owners, it becomes crucial to understand these magnificent creatures' behavior. This knowledge empowers families to take necessary precautions and ensure the safety of their beloved pets. In challenging encounters, dogs frequently showcase remarkable instincts and defense strategies that allow them to navigate the threats posed by predators like leopards. These instances not only highlight the resilience of domestic animals but also reflect the strong bond that families share with their pets. It's a reminder that our furry companions have an innate ability to protect themselves and their loved ones. Moreover, community vigilance plays a vital role in preventing dangerous encounters between pets and their wild counterparts. When neighbors band together, they can effectively alert authorities about potential threats, ensuring the safety of both local wildlife and our cherished pets. This sense of community cooperation emphasizes the importance of looking out for one another, especially when it involves family and pets. Interestingly, various dog breeds, such as the Dogo Argentino and Kangal, are specifically trained to confront and drive away predators. This showcases not only their impressive strength but also their unwavering bravery in protecting their territory. These breeds serve as a testament to the incredible work families can do in raising and training dogs to assist in safeguarding their homes. Furthermore, interactions between domestic dogs and big cats reveal the complex dynamics inherent in predator-prey relationships. Sometimes, these encounters lead to surprising outcomes, such as when dogs successfully scare off lions. It invites us to reflect on the unpredictability of nature and how our pets can sometimes defy expectations, fostering both admiration and caution. As human habitats increasingly overlap with those of wild predators, unique encounters arise. In these situations, dogs not only defend against threats but occasionally bond with these powerful animals. This juxtaposition of instinct and connection serves as a wonderful example of the intricate relationships that can form between species, further enriching the fabric of our family experiences.